Dude, this is like the best working thing ever. Like you found gold.
I told you.
This is great. All right.
And it's like unlimited too. You can just keep running the same ad over and over and over.
And I was thinking I can compound it with other types of events.
Yep.
Like maybe I'm doing this music thing. I can do like I don't know, something total like trivia event or something,
You can
I
do
don't know.
whatever you want, man.
Anything I want. That's
Yeah.
brilliant.
I mean, we've got guys in the group doing like pizza parties. I do yacht parties, rooftop parties. We've got guys doing hiking parties. You know,
You mentioned that. I'd love to know like which there's probably enough data to figure out what parties yield the best results, like what type of parties, you know?
it depends on who you're trying to attract because what we're doing is we're creating self-selecting groups. So if
Yeah.
I do a house music rooftop party, that's going to get women interested in house music
Yeah,
rooftop
party
fucking
girls.
parties. You know what I'm saying? If you do a songwriting party, you can see it in the leads that these
Yeah.
women are like, they're in the music industry and shit.
Yeah. I live like 3 blocks away from a really nice hiking trail in the forest preserve here. So